In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your Siri talk to you each time you unplug and disconnect your charger from your iPhone in IOS14. So first thing we want to do is go to the Shortcuts application and then hit Automation right in the middle. Create Personal Automation, scroll all the way to the bottom and hit Charger. Is connected, so that's when we first plug in our charger. Hit Next, Add Action, then look up Speak Text. Speak Text. And then we want to make it say, I love it when you put your charger in. Show more. I like to personally slow down the rate and maybe up the pitch a little bit. Hit Next and then ask before running. Don't ask because that'll just slow down the automation. And hit Done. Add another one. Create Personal Automation, scroll down and hit Charger. So unselect is connected and then select when it's disconnected. Hit Next, Add Action, and then we're going to look up Speak Text again. And when you get here, you can make it say, I'll see you tonight. Because you always want to have a little reminder when you unplug your phone, because you always want to charge your phone at night. Slow down the rate a little bit. Increase the pitch. Next, ask before running. Don't ask. And then Done. And then let's try it out. Let's take our handy dandy charger.
I love it when you put your charger in me.
And then when it's disconnected,
I'll see you tonight.
and there you have it, how to make your Siri talk. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.